Okay, this one alongside is the pipe network, and this time we want to look at the maximum flow from going from A to G. Okay, so no restrictions for part A. So I always like to start at the top, and I like to go that way first. So here we go. We are taking this first route, and what we need to do is find what's the maximum number that can pass through. I like to think of them as cars, if these were cars that were going through, and we can see that 5 is the maximum that would get through. So we pop 5 down here, and we say if all 5 got through, that's great. That means there's none left there. From here, 5 got through, which means we've now got 3 left, and 5 got through here, so now there's 1. Next that we want to do, right, again, we're always going from A, so because they are all done, we're happy with that. So now we wish to try and get how many of these 9 can go through. And I want to exhaust all of the routes above. So I'm going to suss this one here. Okay, so I can exhaust as I go through, otherwise at the end I'm sort of left covering my bases. So this 1 has now been exhausted, and therefore 1 has got through, which means there's 6 left there, and out of the 9, 1's got through, so we've got 8 left. And don't forget to say that 1 has gone through. Now we're going to go this way, so if I go directly across, that means all 6 go through, which means we've got 2 left to try and send on their merry way. Can these 2 here get through any other option? Yep, they can go that way. So I'm going to send those 2 through. So now they're gone. I'm left with 0. 5 take 2 is 3, and we've got 5 there. Okay, the 8. If we go this way, 3, the minimum path there is 3, so 3 go through, so they're all gone. That leaves me with 2, I've got 5, and that means I can now go on the bottom, but the maximum I can get through here is only 2. So those 2 go through, and we like to finish, oops, shouldn't have erased that 2. I like to finish it all off. And there we go. So now we add these up. 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 is our maximum flow. So if we put it back to our answers, it's litres per second. So just make sure we finish that off. Litres, 19 litres per second. Now what's B on about? How does your answer change if pipe CD is blocked? So now CD, nothing's getting through there. Nothing really changes from the start, so same thing that we did last time. From that top path, 5 are going to get through. So I'm still going to pop the 5 there. So all those 5 go. 3, 1. Right. Can any path go now from getting rid of that 1? Yes, like last time, that 1 will get through. So that's 6 and that's 8. So that 1 goes through. So far nothing is different from what we were doing here. So the 6 go through. So we're left with the 2. These 2 can go through going that way. So add that to the list. 5, 3, that's down to 0 now. And this time, remember we went, these 3 could get through because we went that way. But we can't do that this time because obviously pipe CD is blocked. So the only way we can go is there, and that means the maximum that can go through there is 3. So 3 goes through, 2, 5, right, 0, that's blocked. Can't send any more through. And so if we add all of these up, it now changes that my maximum flow is down by 2 litres per second to 17 litres per second. And there we go. That's your maximum flow.